Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to be testing out the Sunday Ivy Microfibre Beauty Blender. So I've seen a lot of hype about this. I think Kathleen Lights did a video on it a while ago and I thought, I'm intrigued by that. But at that point I couldn't get this in the UK, but now this is available on Feel Unique. It comes in lots of different shapes, colours. This was the shape that I wanted, but you can get flat sides, you can get all sorts of different shapes. So yeah, this claims to absorb 70% less foundation than a regular beauty blender because it's got microfibers. So I am very excited to try this out. Okay, so I'm going to spray my face with my Barry M Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade Porcelain. And I'm going to use this sponge, so I'm very excited. So it is damp, this is wet. It actually came in a little case like this when I bought it. So it's well, it does just about fit in, but when it's dry it fit in perfectly. And then you could just pop the lid on and store it like that. So I've just done 2.5 pumps. Okay, so I really like it. First of all, that's how it's looking now. Normally a beauty blender has got a lot more foundation on it than that. So we are looking good. This was literally like 2.5 pumps and it's done my whole face. If I was using any other beauty blender, it would probably be about 3 or 4 pumps and maybe another one at the end. So this is amazing. I can't believe how nice it looks. First of all, it's like really soft on your skin. It's like a fluffy, fuzzy, cuddly toy on your face. It's so soft, so nice. I really like it so far. It's so nice to apply your foundation with. It feels so much nicer than just using a brush, and it was so quick and easy as well. Like sometimes I just use brushes because they are quicker than a beauty blender, but this was so fast, so that's really good. By the way, I forgot to mention this was £8, so that's really affordable as well. Right, concealer now then. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer in the shade Fair. And I'm going to blend that in. That's really nice. That hasn't taken any coverage away at all. If I'd done that with any other beauty sponge, beauty blender, that would have taken coverage away from that concealer and the foundation actually. And that hasn't taken any concealer coverage away whatsoever. That looks amazing. I can't believe how good this actually is. I knew I'd like it, but I can't actually believe how much I like it. It is really nice. This is definitely my new favourite way now to apply foundation. Right, so I'm just going to finish up the rest of my makeup. So for powder, I'm going to be using my Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. Small Tapered Brush. And then I'm going to use my You Spicy 31 brush to do the rest of my face. Then I'm going to use my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. Then I'm going to use my NYX Slide On Eyeliner in the shade Brown Perfection. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and use my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Contour Palette just for some bronzer. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques bronzing brush. And then finally some blush. I'm going to use the Natural Collection Powder Blusher in the shade Pink Cloud on my other Real Techniques blush brush. Okay, so that completes my makeup using the Sunday Ivy Beauty Blender. I'm just looking on the website and it says that Sunday Ivy is exclusive to Feel Unique, so you can only get these sponges on there. And like I said, they're all £8 as well. So I just chose this one because I prefer the shape. Now lots of people would prefer maybe a flat edge or maybe a round bottom with a flat edge. So there's lots of different types to choose from, but this is just the one that I tend to prefer. This is probably the most similar to the Beauty Blender, but I actually think this is better than the Beauty Blender. I've actually gone off the Beauty Blender a little bit, just because mine's gone really dirty. But I actually think now that there are a lot better Beauty Blenders out there for more affordable prices, like this one for example. I've been really into microfiber technology lately because the face halo which I use to take my makeup off is actually also made from microfiber, and I use like microfiber cloths to clean my house as well. So I think that the way forward now is microfiber, so I would recommend trying this because I really like it. I like the concept, I like the way it feels, I like the way it applies the foundation because it doesn't take any coverage away, and the same for concealer as well. It gives you a flawless finish. It's not patchy, it's really even, and it still gives you the coverage and the look that you want. So I'm really impressed with this. So that completes this video. This was my review of the Sunday Ivy Makeup Microfiber Sponge. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos, and leave a comment down below if you have tried this makeup sponge. Do you like it? Do you hate it? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!